Why is Moscow describing the recent Ukrainian drone strikes as unusually strong? The answer reveals surprising advances in drone warfare that are changing the conflict in dramatic ways. Recent strikes by Ukrainian drones have caught Moscow's attention because these drones have upgraded capabilities. They can carry heavier explosives and operate at extended ranges, allowing them to hit targets deep inside Russian-held territory. This makes the strikes not just more frequent but also more destructive. The increased payload means more damage on impact, and longer flight paths reduce the chance of early detection or interception by Russian defenses. Another reason Moscow sees these strikes as unusually strong is the use of swarm tactics. Ukrainian forces deploy multiple drones in coordinated waves to saturate Russian air defenses. This tactic overwhelms radar and missile systems, allowing some drones to slip through and cause significant damage. The coordination between drones is a game changer, turning what used to be isolated strikes into complex, multi-target operations that strain Russian response capabilities. Technological innovation plays a big role too. Ukrainian drones have been upgraded with stealth features that reduce radar visibility and improved navigation systems that enhance accuracy. Some drones also carry electronic warfare tools that jam or confuse Russian air defenses. These upgrades make the drones harder to detect and neutralize, increasing their effectiveness and surprising Moscow with their sophistication. Beyond physical damage, these drone strikes have a psychological and strategic impact. They unsettle Russian troops and commanders by showing Ukraine's ability to strike critical targets deep behind the front lines. This disruption hampers supply chains and command centers, forcing Moscow to divert resources to defense. The perception of growing Ukrainian drone capabilities signals a shift in the conflict's dynamics, putting pressure on Russian forces in unexpected ways. The unusually strong Ukrainian drone strikes reveal a remarkable shift in modern warfare, combining advanced technology, smart tactics, and strategic impact. This evolving drone threat changes how conflicts unfold and challenges traditional defenses. For daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious with us.